how to recover deleted messages on Instagram. So if you want to recover deleted messages on Instagram, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And from here, you need to go with the account center and tap on your information and permissions and tap on export your information. Or you'll also have an option of download your information. You need to tap on it. And it might ask you to log into your account. So you need to just go and log in and tap on create export. Select your Instagram, tap on export to device. And I'll go with the notification email. Select the email that you would like to notify and then tap on save. And then go with customize the information. And now only select messages. Select messages and clear all because it will take a much more time. Only select the messages, and once you've selected, go with save, which is on the bottom. Select the date range. I'll go with last month and go with the format. You can select HTML or JSON and then the media quality and tap on start export. And it might take a few hours. So just come back to the same page after a few hours and you will have your file ready to download. That's how you can recover your deleted messages on your Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.